Climb inside the 2013 Chrysler Town & Country. It features a front-wheel drive platform, an automatic transmission, and a refined 6-cylinder engine. A wealth of standard features mean that you no longer have to sacrifice, such as remote keyless entry, a power rear cargo door, removable floor console, and cruise control. Features such as automatic climate control and leather upholstery prove that economical transportation does not need to be sparsely equipped. Passengers in the third row enjoy seat-back reclining functionality, providing an extra level of comfort and convenience. Enjoy your favorite music via the stereo system, which includes a CD player with MP3 capability and 6 well-positioned speakers. Rear LCD monitors provide entertainment that your passengers will appreciate no matter how far the drive. Chrysler ensures the safety and security of its passengers with equipment such as dual front impact airbags, ignition disabling, and 4-wheel disc brakes with ABS. Please don't hesitate to give us a call.